Welcome, fellow editors. Today, we're tackling a common challenge lag in DaVinci Resolve. Let's dive into 3 practical tips to make your editing experience silky smooth. Tip number 1, playback settings. Navigate to your playback menu and tweak those settings. Lowering the playback resolution or switching the playback mode to optimized can significantly ease the strain on your system, resulting in smoother playback and fewer lags. Tip number 2, optimized media. DaVinci Resolve comes to the rescue with the option to generate optimized media for your projects. This nifty feature transforms your media files into a format that's kinder to your computer. It lightens the load, reducing the stress on your system and giving a boost to overall performance. Tip number 3, project settings. Lagging problems often stem from project settings that don't align. Ensure harmony by checking that your project settings, like resolution and frame rate, match the specifications of your media files. A little project settings harmony can go a long way in minimizing lag. And there you have it, 3 practical tips to bid farewell to lag in DaVinci Resolve. If you found these insights helpful, consider giving us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more editing wisdom. Happy editing!